Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete all files from your Google Drive. So first step, you can click on one file and press delete. Click on one, press delete. This will take you a long time, especially if you have a lot of files. So there is a faster way. You can use a shortcut. So press Command A or Control A if you are on Windows, and then press this trash icon, move to bin. And then as you can see, your drive is free, but it is not gone, it is still taking up some space. I'll go over to bin, and this deleting just moves everything to bin. So we have to go to bin and press Command A again, and as you can see, 10 items has been selected, and then press this trash icon again, which says delete forever, and press delete forever again. Now your drive is free. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.